Now we will discuss about the ionic compounds. Ionic compounds. Those compounds which are made up of ions, that is cation or anion, and are held together by strong electrostatic forces of attraction are called ionic compounds. Means it is made up of cation and anion, and these cation and anion held by strong electrostatic forces. These electrostatic forces which hold the ions together in anionic compounds are known as ionic bonds or electrovalent bonds, and these compounds are also known as electrovalent compound. Positive ions are known as cation and negative ions are known as anion, and the compound which is made up of cation and anion is known as ionic compound. Just example, sodium chloride, and the formula unit mass of sodium chloride is NaCl. It means sodium chloride is made up of Na plus ions and Cl minus ions. Now we can draw the structure of NaCl. We can make cube. Now we can take midpoint of these four lines and meet these points. Now we can take midpoint of first line, midpoint of second line, and midpoint of third line and meet these 3 points. Now midpoint of first line meet with is first line, second point meet the second point, and third one meet with third point, and meet these 3 points with each other. Now we can take first midpoint of first line, second line, and third line or meet these. Now meet first line to first line, second line to second line, and third line to third line and meet these 3 points. This is a crystal lattice structure of NaCl, and now we will put NaCl and Na plus and Cl minus ions in this cube. Suppose these spot represent Na plus and these spot represent Cl minus. Cl minus. Firstly, we put Na plus ions in this cube. Na plus ions are present on the edges of corners of cube. This is the first corner. Now we can draw first NaCl, then second Na plus, then third Na plus ion, fourth Na plus, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Here 8 Na plus ions are present on the corner of the cube, and another 6 Na plus ion present on the center of faces. This is upper face of this cube, and this is center of cube. One NaCl ion present here, and this is a lower face of this cube, and this is center of this cube. So second Na plus ion is present here, and this is side face of this cube, and this is center of this cube, this face, and one Na plus ion present here, and this is another face of this cube, and this is center of this cube. So another Na plus ion present here, and this one is back face of this cube, and one Na plus present here, and this is front face of this cube, and this is center of this face. And Cl minus ions present on center of edges. Now we will put Cl minus ions. First, this is first edge of this cube. Now we will put Cl minus here, and this is second edge. The center of edge is this, and we put Cl minus here, and this is third edge of this cube, and we put third Cl minus here, and this is fourth edge of this cube, and now we put 4 Cl minus here, and now we put Cl minus ions on the vertical edges. First edge is this, and we put Cl minus here. This is second, we put second Cl minus here, and this is third. This is center of this edge, and this is center of this edge. The total atom 8. Now we select these slant sides. The center of this side is this. Now we put first Cl minus, then this is second, and this is third, and this is fourth. And this is a lattice structure of NaCl. We can say that Na plus ions present on the corner of cube, Na plus ions present on the corner of cube, and center of faces. But Cl minus ions present on the center of edges. And one Cl minus also present on the center of the cube. Means Cl minus present on the center of edges and center of the cube. Now we can say that here the order of Na plus and Cl minus alternately, means Na plus, then Cl minus, then Na plus, then Cl minus, then Na plus, then Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus. Now we can set it in the crystal it is of NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus arranged to in that condition or in that configuration by which they feel less repulsive forces and more attractive forces. Here the distance between Na plus and Na plus is this, and the distance between Na plus and Cl minus is this. And now we will complete the triangle, and this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, and this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. As we know, the hypotenuse is always greater than perpendicular and base. Now we can say that here the distance between Na plus and Na plus is greater than distance between Na plus and Cl minus, and here Na plus and Cl minus. Here force of attraction works, but here force of repulsion work, because Na plus and Na plus have same charge, so here repulsion forces work, and here Na plus and Cl minus have opposite charges, so their attraction forces works. So we can say that here attraction force is greater than repulsion force, because the attraction or repulsion force inversely proportional to r or distance, and here distance is less, so attraction force is greater, and here distance is large, so attraction force repulsion repulsive forces are low. So we can say that in overall crystal attraction force is more than repulsive forces, so this is stable. So we can say that positive ions and negative ions, means cations and ions, arrange their order in that way by which they feel minimum force of repulsion and maximum force of attraction. And when attraction force is greater than repulsion force, then we can say that this is stable. Now we will discuss about the formula unit of this NaCl compound. As we know, sodium chloride is ionic compound because it is made up of ion, not of molecules. So we can say that NaCl doesn't have any molecules because it is an ionic compound and it is consist of ion. Molecular compounds of covalent compounds are made up of molecules, but ionic compounds are made up of ions, and that is cation and anion. So we can't calculate the molecular formula of sodium chloride. Now what is this? We use NaCl for sodium chloride. This is not a molecular formula because sodium chloride is ionic compound, and ionic compound doesn't have any molecule, they have only ions. So we can write only formula unit for NaCl. Now firstly we will discuss about the formula unit.